Kanyakla mar Duond buche matindo golo ywak gi ewi kaka ita komiti moyiedhi ne tudo duond buche mag siasa motis ni Political Parties Liaison Committee gi ywak ni komiti no oserem chopo kare ting' mare koro gisiro Dr. Augustus Chalo Muli ne leo mar jakom komiti no.
Instead of supporting political parties, they are actually out to destroy parties. Instead of supporting democracy, multi-party democracy, they are showing that they are out to destroy political parties. They are out to close political parties. There is no funding from the government for 54 parties out of the 91 registered political parties. So, as chairman of PPLC, I will fight for funding, I'll fight for autonomy of PPLC, and I will fight for political space, for the recognition of all political parties in this country.
Change in life, change in PPLC, change in Kenya.